What if I told you you can turn this into this? No more wasting hours on manual charts. Pivot chart does the magic for you. Stay tuned to the end of this video because I'm going to take you through a basic explanation on understanding pivot chart, and also I will show you how to customize your chart in pivot table in order to enhance your visualizations by adding colors, filters and trends. Hey Data Monarch family, welcome back to this channel. Grab your Excel file and let's dive in. In case you don't have a practice data set, I've left one in the description below, so do all to follow as I do. First, before you proceed with your pivot chart, you must ensure that your data is clean, and here's what to check before you proceed. No blank rows or columns, and as you can see I have blank rows and columns in this data set. So the first thing you have to do is to delete it to ensure that there is no blank rows and columns. Do the same for the row. In case these blank spaces are a bit much, you can filter the heading and then remove the blank spaces. You can do it that way. Ensure that your column has headers, just as you can see that the headers are highlighted with this green color. Then ensure to format your data as a table in order to make your pivot chart more dynamic using your Ctrl+T. You click my table as headers, you press your OK. Also, as you can see, immediately I press the Ctrl+T, it has highlighted this data range for me. Ensure that it highlights the data range for you, and if it does not, you can highlight it yourself and it will be indicated here. Then you press your OK. Now our data is ready. Come here under insert, and here in the ribbon menu you will see pivot chart. You click on it, then you can see select a table range. You click on the pivot chart, then you can see the interface is brought out for us. The first thing we have here is select a table range, and as we know our table is table 1, and in case you want to use an external data source which we are not using right now, so down here is saying choose where you want the pivot chart to be placed. Is it a new worksheet or an existing worksheet? So right now I want it to be in a new worksheet so that my visualizations can be much more explicit and there would not be a mix-up or messy report. So after that is clicked, you press your OK, and there you have it. You have your pivot chart here, but it is currently blank. You move your product name to the rows and you move your revenue to values. You can see it is well visualized for us here. Here in the chart you can see the visualized products by the sum of revenue. This chart looks too basic. Let's make it pop. The next thing we want to do right now is to add labels to the chart. So you click on the chart and you can see this plus sign. Click on it. So here we have the axis, which means the names of the products and also the sum of the revenue by the left hand side. Here we have the axis titles. This will help us to better indicate what our chart is about. Here you write products, and on the vertical axis you write your sum of revenue. So once you've included down, you click your OK. Once this is done, so next we'll move to the filter function. Come here under where you see the product name and this drop down icon, you click on it. So we want to filter this out by the top 5 products. You click on value filters, then you can see here top, then you click on the top. Then if you want to filter the least 5 value, you can click here and you will see bottom, but right now I want to check out the top 5 products by revenue. Then here you click on, you input your 5 in this column by items, yes, by sum of revenue. You want to filter out the top 5 products by sum of revenue, then you click your OK. Can you see here, this simplifies your chart and makes it less clumsy. Now you can filter out data using your pivot chart. Also, do you know you can group data in pivot chart? And if you have a data that contains date, you might want to group your chart into months, years or quarters. Let's drag our dates under the rows variable, and you can see these are grouped it by date for us. Well, let's say we want to change it to month or by year, group it by year instead. You click on one of the dates, you right click on it and you come here under group, you click on it. Then if you want to filter it out by years instead of month, you click on the years, then you unclick both days and month. Let's see what this will bring out for us. So can you see this is filtering out by year for us in case you have reports from different years, and anytime you want to filter out, you can come under here and filter it out by what you desire. Instead of 365 days of chaos, you can see a clean monthly trend in your data results. Before you go, avoid these 3 mistakes. Avoid forgetting to refresh after a new data has been added to your table. Also, avoid blank charts. And the last mistake is avoid too much data. Use filters to focus. And that's how you've mastered pivot chart. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash the like button. It helps more people to find this tutorial. Drop a comment if you want a part 2 on advanced pivot chart. Subscribe and hit the notification button so you don't miss out on my next videos. And please subscribe. See you then, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.